today?
Excited.
Yeah, have you ever been rafting before?
Yes. No.
Yeah. Are you worried you might fall out?
Yes, but I refuse to fall out, actually.
Yeah, but what are you going to do if you fall out? Just
I will do exactly what you told me.
Hold on to this teeth.
Hold on to this.
Don't knock out my teeth.
What'd you guys just learn? Nothing?
How to swim in whitewater?
Yeah.
What are you going to do if you fall out of the boat?
Find the boat.
Find the boat, and then if you can't find the boat, what are you going to do?
You're gonna swim towards the next boat.
Who's never been rafting before? Oh my gosh, we have so many newbies. How are you feeling about not having been rafting before?
Really nervous. I was nervous up until this point.
You were nervous, or you?
I was nervous up until this point.
Okay, and now you're feeling great.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what are you most nervous about?
Falling out of the boat.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So tell me about the upper river. How'd it go?
It went alright.
Just all right?
Could have been rougher.
It could have been rougher.
Yeah.
Some people would say that went really well then.
Yeah.
No? How about you? How'd it go for you?
It was fun.
Yeah? What was the best part?
All of it?
All. That's a good answer. I'll take that. How about you?
I don't know, it wasn't that intense, but it's good.
It was okay. Hold on. Go for it.
After we hit Magic Falls, we hit this huge, like a wave thing, and
Does that make sense? Probably wave.
yeah, wave thing, and basically our instructor almost like fell out, but he fell
Flew like
in.
halfway up
Yeah.
in the middle of the boat.
Then our girl Maggie just got like, she like totally.
She hit her face on James's back.
Yep.
On her back. Not on the T grip though. That's good.
Yeah. Good.